Hey, welcome to another episode of geekoutdoors.com. One of the big things that I talk about on my channel is digital marketing. Now, digital marketing covers a whole bunch of different areas, but the one place that I think that a lot of YouTube creators will understand is ranking. And how you rank on YouTube is by doing YouTube SEO. So very similar to the SEO that's done on websites, so then they can rank on places like google.com or Bing or Yahoo. It's very similar here on YouTube. And so I'm going to show you how I rank on some videos. And so the first thing I want to do is let me go ahead and clear my history to make sure that we're starting with a clean slate. So let's come down here, let's clear data. So there is some data there. Let's go ahead and clear this completely and make sure it's 0. And I'm going to go ahead and restart my browser just to be sure there's nothing there. So let's go to YouTube again. So the first video I want to show you that I rank for is one that I just posted about 6-7 hours ago, and it's for a very broad keyword. It's just Kden Live. Okay, so if you look here, this is all-time results, and there's already videos here with the top one having 42,000 views, the next one 2,000, the next one nearly 6,000, and another one with 53,000. And as you go down, there's my video. I just posted this 6 hours ago. It has 43 views, and I'm already on the first page. And so that's a really powerful example of why doing YouTube SEO, doing this digital marketing is so important, because very much like google.com, everybody wants to be ranked on the first page and everybody wants to be near the top. Now, this is just the very first day. It's not even 24 hours yet. So over time, this could change. But let me show you some videos that I rank for that have been around a lot longer. And if you are doing any type of SEO, normally if you type a keyword like this that's very broad, it's way harder to rank than if you did something that's more, they call it longer tail keyword, like something like this, okay? So that's pretty difficult to rank for something so broad, especially since there's so many videos there, but I was able to rank. Let me show you another one that has a very broad term and a lot of competition for that keyword, and that is Linux Mint. And there's tons of video here. This one has 564,000 views. So as I go down further, there's a lot of videos here with a lot of views, and there's my video. This one was posted a year ago, has 77,000 views. Even though that seems like a lot, these other videos have way more. They have much larger channels than I do, but I'm still able to outrank videos with 336,000 views and get up here. And since I posted this a year ago, it's been consistently near the top. And at times it was the top result, but obviously that changes over time. But the thing is, by using YouTube SEO, I was able to rank on the first page for more than a year now. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at another video. And this is a product-based video. And it's a little bit more difficult because this is more mainstream. So we look here on the first page. There's my video. I posted this about 3 years ago. It currently has a little over 4,000 views, but a lot of these videos have tons of views. This one has 377,000 right here. The top video has 45,000. And so as you can see here, it's not just about the number of views that you have or the number of subscribers on your channel. It all comes down to really good YouTube SEO, doing the digital marketing for every single video that you create. And if you actually wanted to see this for yourself, you could type in the same keywords, go to youtube.com, and you could see that my videos are right there on the first page for these keywords that I've shown you here. So that is an example, a real world example of how doing digital marketing, specifically YouTube SEO, is very important for your channel, especially if you have a very small channel and you don't get that many views or subscribers. This will really help you out. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, whether you are doing any type of YouTube SEO yourself, or maybe you had some other thoughts on how you can improve rankings, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you actually wanted to see my playlist on digital marketing, I will also leave that in the description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators Group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to geekoutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.